Today I will give you a special recipe how to remove warts from your body in 24 hours. What you need to know is these ingredients: 1 small spoonful of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 of pressed garlic clove, 1/2 small spoonful of aloe vera gel. Instruction: mix all ingredients in the bowl. Apply mixture directly on your warts. Cover with the plaster of the gauze or the bandage. Leave it overnight. And you leave it overnight, you remove the bandage, and if you have small kind of warts, it's going to disappear in 24 hours or overnight. If you have some kind of wart that need little more attention, you can use this recipe for a couple of days until warts is gone. Exciting news, my dear followers! My first book that is called Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity, is available to you right now. You can now grab your copy in Croatian, Polish, German and English on my brand new website MarioLab.hr. Get your copy today and unlock the secrets to healthier and longer life. The book is available for every country all around the world.